If you've ever tried adding a voiceover in DaVinci Resolve and it felt confusing or hidden, you're not alone. The good news is, once you know where to look, it's actually one of the fastest parts of your workflow. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to record a voiceover directly inside DaVinci Resolve 20. Let's get into it. First, before we even touch the timeline, we need to make sure your microphone is set up properly. Go to the top left corner and click on DaVinci Resolve, then select Preferences. Once the settings window opens, click on the Video and Audio I/O tab at the top. Under Audio Input Device, choose your microphone from the drop-down list. If you're using a USB mic, it should show up by name. After selecting it, click Save, and then close the window. If you skip this step, there's a good chance you'll hit Record and get no audio. Now let's move into the timeline. Head down to the Edit page. If you don't already have an empty audio track, go to the left side where your tracks are labeled A1, A2, and so on. Right-click in that area and add a new mono audio track. For voiceovers, mono is usually the best option. It keeps your audio clean and centered. Now look for the small microphone icon next to that track. Click it, and this will open up the voiceover recording panel. Before you hit record, take a second to check a few things. Make sure the correct input is selected. Make sure you're recording onto the right track, and watch your audio levels as you speak. You want your voice to be strong, but not clipping into the red. If your levels are too low or too high, adjust your microphone gain before recording. It's much easier than fixing it later. Now when you're ready, hit the record button. You'll see a short countdown, and then it starts recording. Go ahead and record your voiceover directly into the timeline. When you're done, press stop. And just like that, your voiceover is already placed exactly where you recorded it. No importing, no syncing, nothing extra. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more editing tutorials.